Hi everyone, Stephen Scott here with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to the Nautica condominiums on Barrie's spectacular waterfront. These suites are designed by local architect Ian Malcolm. They're absolutely stunning. Come have a closer look.
There's three things people love about living in this building. Number one, the location. You're directly up Kempenfeld Bay. Number two, amenities. It's got everything from a lap pool, fitness center, games room, party room, the list goes on. Number three, the community. You can be as busy as you want in this building. Everything from happy hour on Fridays to billiards night on Tuesdays. Now enough about this, let's go look at this suite.
Folks, this is the Grand Cayman model, and it's called Grand for a reason. It's almost 1,900 square feet. It's an open concept design. It's a split 2-bedroom, 2-bath plan, arguably one of the nicest spaces in all of Ontario with spectacular views from all of the principal rooms. I think you're gonna love it.
The great room in this model has absolutely everything you need. Gourmet kitchen, formal dining room, you've got a breakfast bar, but let's be honest, when you're in this space, it's all about the views. That 6-piece ensuite wasn't relaxing enough for you, there's no possible way you're going to start your day out on the wrong foot when you've got a view like this from your master bedroom. Check this out.